Welcome to Caregiver Referral Services of Toronto. Never feel like you're alone, and that is why we create this unique service to help you along the way. We have been supplying caregivers to clients in the privacy of their homes since 1999. Whether you operate a nursing home, a retirement home, a group home, or any other care facilities, we are here to help. We have personal support workers, PSWs, living nannies, housekeepers, full-time or part-time, to suit your need, and we have clients from various backgrounds. Early childhood educators for your daycare, along with tutoring services for all ages, online or in person. Baby nurses for your single or multiple birth, to assist mothers after giving birth for the first few days or nights or even 24 hours care. Housekeepers, office cleaners, residential and commercial cleaning services. For speedy response, there are many ways to contact us. Please call or text us at 416-630-3546 or email us at caregiversgta@gmail.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.